Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn good thoughts. Believe you can. Believe you can and you are halfway there. Do what you can. With what you have. Where you are. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own action. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Thank you. Thank you friends. Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel for new videos. Thank you.